Hello everyone, this is your Master Graman. After a long time, after stock market video and Bitcoin video, I just thought to do about mutual fund. A mutual fund is an investment fund that pools money from many investors to purchase security. The term is typically used in United States, Canada and India, while similar structure across globe include SICAV in Europe and Open-Ended Investment Company in UK. Mutual funds are often classified by their principal investment such as money market funds, bond, or fixed income funds, or stock or equity funds, or hybrid funds. Funds may also be categorized as index funds, which are passively managed funds that track the performance of an index, such as stock market index or bond market index, or actively managed funds, which seeks to outperform stock market indices but generally charge higher fees. Primary structure of mutual funds are open-end funds, closed-end funds, and unit investment funds. Open-end funds are purchased from or sold to the issuer at the net asset value of each share as the close of the trading day in which the order was placed. As long as the order was placed within a specific period before the close of trading, they can be traded directly with the issuer. And mutual funds have advantages and disadvantages. The advantages of mutual funds include economic of scale, diversification, liquidity, and professional management. However, this comes with mutual fund fees and expenses. The most important thing, these lines would be said in advertisement that is, mutual funds are regulated by governmental bodies and are required to publish information including comparison of performance to benchmark, fees charged, and security held. Recently, mutual fund may have several share classes by which larger investment pay lower fees. And the most important thing to note is that hedge funds and exchange traded funds are non-mutual funds, and each is targeted at different investors, with hedge funds being available only to high net worth individuals. Basically, you must know the nature of mutual funds. As a normal middle class people, you can just start SIP, that is systematic investment plan, which in every month a fixed amount of money would be taken from your bank and would be invested in a mutual funds. It's all about three types of mutual funds, that is equity mutual funds, debt mutual funds, and hybrid mutual funds. So first of all, you have to understand the three differences. In equity mutual funds, you would be getting high returns, but you would be having a lot of risk, but still you can invest that. And same with debt equity fund, it's all about government bonds and all these things, which would be like you have to wait a lot. And the hybrid mutual funds would be the combination of both of equity mutual fund and debt mutual fund. So if you ask me which is the best mutual fund to invest, I will never say that, because it's based on your personal research and how much you invest. So before investing, you have to have a good idea about all this company so you choose the right mutual fund. For example, if you are just investing for 3 years, you can just choose hybrid mutual funds. And if you are investing for more than 5 to 7 years, you can invest in equity mutual funds, which you have three types, that is large cap mutual funds, mid cap mutual funds, and small cap mutual funds. In this three particular scheme, small cap mutual funds would be giving you less returns, but risk would be less. Large cap mutual funds, you would be getting high return, but you would be having a risk. Mid cap mutual funds would be the combination of same large and small mid cap mutual fund. So what is the nature of mutual fund? How this money is invested? It's all about fund manager. So if you check Association of Mutual Funds of India, a website, you would see which is the best fund manager. So how much he is charging, for example, 1% or 2%, just like that. And how much returns he has given in 10 years, you would be seeing in this particular website. And what is the duty of this particular fund manager? If you are investing 1 lakh towards this particular mutual fund manager would be splitting this 1 lakh to 15,000 for equity mutual fund or debt mutual funds or hybrid mutual funds, just like that, based on the market risk and market profit, and you would be getting all these high returns for you. So you have to choose wisely the fund manager so that your money would be saved. Especially you have to note about the open end process and close end process, because for both cases you have to charge and save. So it's all about based on your income you would be investing, and same way that would be in a situation to pause SIP, that is a situation where you won't be having money. So you have to check even that in this particular website. So based on that, please do choose this particular fund manager. And if you ask me which is the best way to start SIP, you can use Grow app. In this particular Grow app, you can check all these things. Please do research it personally, even though if I have said all these things in a simple way. So in that way, you would be double strong to invest in all these mutual funds. And the most important thing is that you must be very clever to research about all these companies so that you won't enter into a big loss just like that. So think about all these things. So I hope this video is interesting. So with that thought, I'm in this video. Take care. Have a nice day.